Starting off at the top, you've got the BSD Forever grips, Shattered Conspiracy Voltus bars, 10-inch rise by a cut in the 27 wide. Primo front load stem. Primo HD forks, 13mm offset. Eclat Tech front hub, Eclat spokes, Eclat rim. Shattered Conspiracy Lit 1 peg on the right hand side, and on the left is an Arcane peg, both steel. Then I've got a Donna Squeak in 2.35. The newest part, the Total Hangover frame. It's a 20.4 top tube, 13 rear end, and it's got a few nice little features, just like stuff like the bolt being set in. There is built-in chain tensioners. Shattered Conspiracy seat. Federal cranks in burnt gold with a Merit P1 pedals in black. I've got the Demolition 24mm spline drive sprocket, 25 tooth. Beefy Shadow Supreme V2 chain. Then I've got the Odyssey clutch hub, laced to a Skylark rim with BSD spokes, BSD Donna Squeak on the back, G-Sport hub guard, and a Shattered Conspiracy Lit 1 peg on the back. Anyway, that was my bike check. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy the clips.